On the 11th of June this year, the Historic Houses of Ireland will welcome Cruinniú to 4 unique historical settings.
Cruinniú is Ireland's National Day of Creativity for children and young people under 18.
Why not come and join us?
Free, fun, creative activities and experiences
For young people at
Burghcastle Domain, County Offaly.
Innisco House, County Mayo,
Kilmackie, Country Manor and Garden, County Wexford.
Kilruddery Estate, County Wicklow.
At each venue there will be an exciting programme of free, fun, creative activities and experiences.
On the 11th of June, see you there!
Cruinniú! More information can be found on the website of HHI and the houses themselves.